Roundabouts may seem confusing at first, but by knowing the rules, you can navigate them safely and with confidence. Always approach a roundabout at a slower speed. Select the correct lane before entering the circle. Always yield to vehicles already inside the circle and use your turn signal when exiting. When driving to school on Wentworth Green Drive, proceed down to the merge area and alternate merging safely. Be considerate to other drivers. As you approach the roundabout, keep your speed slow and prepare to yield to traffic in the circle. As the circle clears, turn right towards the school. It's important to maintain slow, controlled speed. School security staff will be at the crosswalk, allowing students to cross safely. Be prepared to stop and follow their direction for your fellow students to cross. When driving to the school from University Boulevard, slow down as you approach the circle and yield to the traffic that's in the circle. When it's clear, proceed safely and exit to the right. Maintain a slow, steady speed. Be alert for pedestrians crossing at the new crosswalk. Be prepared to stop if directed by staff to let pedestrians cross. By following these steps, you'll not only keep traffic moving smoothly, but also make the roundabout safer for everyone.